With the release of ChatGPT, we've entered a new era of AI technology. The problem is that this technology can be intimidating, especially for those who are new to it. The advanced capabilities of ChatGPT are hidden behind questions that are not intuitive, and solving that problem is the entire point of my book, the ChatGPT Prompt Guide. That's where this book comes in. It's designed to help you ask better questions, so you can get better answers from ChatGPT. I've spent countless hours using ChatGPT and exploring its capabilities, and on December 21st, I released the first edition of my book. Covering 400 different examples of how to use ChatGPT, this book received amazing feedback from users. And I didn't stop there. In January, I updated the book to include titles for all the different prompts and a table of contents, making it even more user-friendly. In 111 pages, you'll find practical applications for ChatGPT, categorized into 5 sections. From productivity, to improving your writing abilities, understanding people, and health, this book has something for everyone. Each prompt is presented with a formula that is easy to customize to your needs, and I've included follow-up prompts and a quick guide on how to customize the outputs to your own writing. With just a few clicks, you'll be able to use the prompts to save time, develop your skills, and much more. The true power of ChatGPT lies in prolonged communication, and this book will help you understand how each prompt works and how you can use that knowledge to start customizing. Get your hands on the ChatGPT Prompt Guide today and start unlocking the full potential of ChatGPT. Order your book now.